I went and I confirmed which grades we are going to teach, and it is going to be grades 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 6 शायद नहीं होगा because the timings are different. Wait, I'll tell you. कहाँ गई डायरी भाई? सब कुछ लिखना पड़ता है क्योंकि हमारी याददाश्त कमजोर है. हाँ, see, 7:15 to 12:15 is 6 to 8 grades, and 12 to 5:15 is 1 to 5 grades. Okay, so we can have 3, 4, and 5, these 3 grades. Okay, or so Khushi, the module wala thing that we were discussing, difficulty, it remains the same for all grades 3, 4, 5. We don't need to change the difficulty. Otherwise, I was thinking of having one difficulty level for grades 3, 4 and the other one for grades 5, 6. But in nahi thai because we have 3 grades, so we keep it the same for all. Okay. And so that is confirmed. And I talked to her about the level also. And she told me that Gujarati nu level already saru છે. So you don't have to worry about it. So anything that you tell them to write or speak, well, if it's in Gujarati, they'll be able to do it. They're not going to struggle in that. એટલે there is no, confusion about whether their 4th grade will equal our 2nd grade કે 3rd grade એવું કંઈ નથી. In terms of Gujarati, they are at par. So we don't have to worry about that. Okay. And now we will be, Pushti is not joining, I think. Pushti might not be able to continue also with us. Same with Priyanshi, because both of them have online tasks. એટલે એ લોકોનું schedule already is very tight. So we would not expect them to spend time on this. But I told you both, like if you are here, so 20-30 minutes on a daily basis is what we are looking at. And me myself, I give this every single day. I have to give this 1-2 hours, ત્યારે મારું પતે, including the discussions that I do, the planning that I do, the teachers who I meet. એટલે I wouldn't expect anyone to spend 1-2 hours, but 20-30 minutes is, I think, a minimum requirement, which I think both of you can fulfill very well. એટલે now we will begin with creating the first module, communication. Okay, and once that is done, then we will have volunteers joining in. And they, as and when they start teaching, we will have other people joining this planning committee. तो प्लानिंग कमिटी में तुम दोनों तो हो ही, राइट? और जो भी होंगे 7-8 लोग, 3 from IB, 3 from ISC, they will be joining us. And they will create a core committee. As I told both of you, that they will keep a track of everything, right? They will divide the roles, assign the tasks, and write down the log, write down the impact, right? Manage all the tasks. So there will be around 6 people who will join the 3 of us. Okay. So now I am sharing the screen for the activities that I did for communication skill. And let's together figure out how we can conduct these activities in Gujarati, and if there are any additions that we can make to this skill, then let's do that. Okay. So for now, for this meeting, we will decide the activities. We will divide the roles among the 3 of us. We are working on one skill. So let's say Purni might want to work on the show and tell wala thing, the instructions and the guidelines for that activity. And Khushi might want to write about picture composition. So she might have to create worksheets for that. I might want to work on story writing. And so all of us will work on different activities, but we will create the same module, which is for communication. One difficulty level. Okay. Now let's share the screen. Able to see now?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. अरे अरे लवेबल एआई खुल गया. वाह वाह, ये क्या है? क्या खुल रहा है? मेरे मन के विचार सामने स्क्रीन पर क्यों दिख रहा है? बट नेवर माइंड. अब है ना. And by the way, both of you are okay with the name, ne? I shared it with everybody. Everyone is fine with it. Okay, okay.
बात तो ठीक.
Now, one of us can write down stuff. Khushi or Purni, any one of you maybe want to, if you want to write down. I will to do it, but if you want to, then you may.
પેપર સાથે જ બેઠી છું.
હા. પ્રોએક્ટિવ બંદી है.
અરે હમણાં જ મેં ફાડ્યું બુકમાંથી.
તું લેવા ગઈ ને પાછળ? તું લેવા ગઈ?
હા, બેગ લેવા ગઈ. હા.
આવું ડેડિકેશન તો ભાઈ કેવું છે ભાઈ. એકદમ મજા આવી ગઈ જોઈને મને. એકદમ મજા આવી મને. But yeah, really appreciate both of you. The things that you are doing. हाँ, चलो अब बंद करते हैं ये सब. And we focus on the task. वरना Purni will be like, I am leaving the meeting. I don't want to listen to this. let's continue.
Okay.
अब है ना, तुम है ना 3 कॉलम बनाओ. उसमें एक grade 3 का लिखो, 4 का लिखो, 5 का लिखो. और for every grade level, which activities are we doing? Okay. Now, Chinese whisper इज इट अ गुड एक्टिविटी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल? मैंने तो करा दिया, पर तुम्हें क्या लगता है? ગુજરાતીમાં શું
It is.
ચાઇનીઝ વિસ્પર કરશે?
હા, અમદાવાદ પર કરી નાખશું આપણે એનું.
તો લેટ્સ
It
હેવ
is good because it just more or less tells you that you should listen when you're communicating properly rather than just jumping and speaking. So I think it's a good game.
અચ્છા, તો લેટ્સ રીનેમ ઇટ ઇન્ટુ ગુજરાતી વિસ્પર. ઓય ના, ઓય પણ આપણે એક્ટિવિટીનું નામ શું રાખશું? Because like you cannot write down these names, huh? ઉપર તારે પિક્ચર કમ્પોઝિશનમાં શું લખીશ તું? ચિત્રવર્ણન લખીશ. ઓ માય ગોડ.
હા તો આપણું નામ આવતું ગુજરાતીમાં શું કહેતા એને? ચિત્રવર્ણન જ કહેતા.
What do you call Chinese whisper? Gujarati whisper.
એનું બનાવ કાંઈક સુરત વિસ્પર, અમદાવાદ વિસ્પર, અમદાવાદ ફુસફુસ.
Wow, nice, nice. See, creative people we have here. So Purni, you take it up. Okay. એટલે what do you have to do?
હા,
You have to
બેઠો.
so you have to decide the
અમદાવાદ
name.
ફુસફુસ કરું.
હા,
No,
અને you have to write.
name का कुछ.
તો પર તો तुम
But
sentences તો लिख देना.
don't you think they should also know that this is a classic game and it is also called Chinese Whisper?
પણ તું ગુજરાતીના લેટર્સમાં લખીશ ચો ને આ ને ચાઈ.
બધાનું અનુવાદ
હા.
કરશું ને તો આપણે પાગલ થઈ જશું ભાઈ.
હા,
અનુવાદ,
okay,
oh my
fine.
God, what is that?
એટલે મને today I talked with one of my our class teacher only in IB and he's like it's going to be a tough journey for you all of you actually.
Hmm.
કારણ કે ગુજરાતીમાં you or all of you are going to fumble, but good, you can write a good reflection on that, you know, whatever you also learned. You don't have to be perfect to start. That is what he told me. You don't have to be a genius to start. फिर वो रह गई बात दिल में, तो अच्छा लगा. हाँ, तो चाइनीज विस्पर पूर्णी विल हैंडल. उसमें मैंने क्या किया था? आई वाज वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड पहले, तो आई यूज्ड टू राइट द एक्टिविटी एंड द डिस्क्रिप्शन. ओके, तो यहाँ पे देखो इंग्लिश आई यूज्ड टू राइट आल्सो that this is the sentence that I will say in their ear and this is what they will pass on. And then I played a game where I told them that pehle whoever is sitting beside me, I'll whisper a sentence in English. You have to convert it to Gujarati and say it to the next person. That person converts it back to English and passes it on to the next person and then convert it back to Gujarati. છેલ્લે શું આવે ને, છેલ્લે તો સાવ ફરી ગયું હતું એકદમ. I was like નહીં ભાઈ, મજા ન આવી. હા, એટલે this was Chinese whisper. So something like this. પૂર્ણી જો મોડ્યુલમાં શું હોવું જોઈએ કે પહેલા you write the guidelines. Okay, મે બી આપણે છે ને ટીચર ને સ્ટુડન્ટની કમ્બાઇન્ડ મોડ્યુલ રાખી એવું કરી. બેની અલગ અલગ નથી, કેમ કે people will refer to one that is convenient. તેમાં છે ને આવા instructions લખવાના that you know
But
how
why
do the
do you need a
students.
guideline for children?
હા, એટલે like yeah, true. એટલે some parts of the module maybe the teacher would refer to and some part would contain worksheets that they will do maybe.
Okay.
Okay. So Chinese whisper में तो you just have to write these sentences maybe in Gujarati around 5 to 10 sentences that they can pass on and એટલે ત્યારે ને ત્યારે વિચારવા ન બેસવું પડે કે અરે હવે હું શું કહું. ઓકે, પછી ખાલી એમ કહું કાનમાં બોલી દે કે મારી મમ્મી બારે ગઈ હતી. So that is such an easy sentence. હવે એવું તો ગુજરાતીમાં બધા બોલતા હોય. So make it tough a bit. એટલે just write down કે Purni will handle Chinese whisper. Right? એટલે you still write down I will create a doc abhi and I will share with both of you. And then you can edit it. Different tabs you will create for everyone. Once that is done, I will create a PDF or once everything is finalized. Very short game Chinese whisper, but just be very mindful of the sentence quality. That it should be tough maybe to pronounce the words or maybe એક વારમાં ન સમજાય કે ન સંભળાય એવું હોય. એટલે their listening skills are developed. Okay. Right, that was the first one. Now emotional charades so we can do, right? That I think I can take up. Or anyone actually. I will tell you what it was. કે ચીટમાં છે ને લખ્યું હતું angry, sad, frustrated, nostalgic કે પછી nervous, એવું બધું લખ્યું હતું ચીટ્સમાં. મેં ચીટ્સ બનાવી હતી. અને એમે આમાં ચીટ્સ આપણે કેમ બનાવશું?
નોસ્ટાલ્જિક નું ગુજરાતી શું કરશું?
અને એની જ ચિંતા છે પણ એ પછી જોશું. એ હું જોઈશ કાંઈક. એ છે ને તું સાંભળ મારી વાત. હવે એમાં do we want to keep a cutout section in the module? You know, they can maybe cut out something as a content.
લિસ્ટ કરી દઈએ ને.
પણ હવે એમાં એવું છે કે ચીટ એ લોકો ઉપાડે, ઇમોશન વાંચે અને એ લોકો એક્ટ કરે ઇમોશન અને બીજા બધા ગેસ કરે કે કયું ઇમોશન
એ સમજી ગયું, બટ દેન એમાં મતલબ એવી રીતે બતાવવાની શું જરૂર? આપણે લિસ્ટ કરી દઈએ પછી બાજુમાં લખી દઈએ મેક ચીટ્સ.
Jitna I heard or jitna I can say, don't you think they should do it by themselves? Like they are also volunteering.
हाँ तो भाई लखी नाखसू टेबल बनावी
ये
ने
बहुत बहुत रेडीमेड नहीं हो जाएगा?
वो तो है. ठीक है, तो करते हैं ऐसा जैसा तुम लोग बोलो. ठीक है, बराबर છે, કરવું તો જોઈએ. મેક ટીટ્સ કરીને લખશું આપણે. અને બ્રો એની સાથે એક્શન એ લખાય કે લેટ્સ સે કે હું
So
આવું કરતી.
emotional charades લખું ના?
હા કરી નાખ્યું છે. હા તો એમાં છે ને આઈ યુઝ ટુ રાઇટ ધ એક્શન ઓલ્સો. લેટ્સ સે અ કિડ આસ્ક્સ યુ ઓકે કે મેમ નોસ્ટાલ્જિક મારે કેમ બતાવવું અને તારી પાસે આન્સર ના હોય તો you have to be ready with it કે if it is nostalgic emotion how would you act it out,
હમ
you know what kind of actions would you do. એટલે હું એમાં લખતી કે sad
હમ
છે તો maybe your shoulders will drop, maybe your face will you know maybe point towards the ground, yes shoulders down हो जाएगा, frown face हो जाएगा, all that.
હમ
Okay,
હમ
that
હમ
you give those clues so that once if they don't know how to communicate that emotion then they will know how
હમ
to do that. And in this increasingly AI wala world we need people to still
હમ
know what human raw emotions are. How do you show that you're
હમ
excited? There has to be maybe you can maybe jump, you can you know kind of show that sparkle in your eyes, ke laugh, ke, you know those emotions, very very simple actions that you can do. If you're frustrated or if you're worried, maybe you kind of you know put your hand to your head, or maybe you kind of rest your chin on your palm, maybe you'll point look downwards, assess up actions. But I will write it down
હમ
on my own and I'll show it to all of you. Okay, then maybe we can have worksheets also for that, which I will plan out.
હમ
So if I am given an activity, if I am doing emotional charades, I will handle everything related to it, whether it is the guidelines, the
Okay.
chit making ka instructions, ka pachi worksheets, all that I will look into. Okay,
હમ
and we will ensure કે આપણા ત્રણમાં equally divided હોય બધી skills, એટલે બધી activities.
હમ
Yeah. अब दूसरी एक मैंने वीडियो दिखाया था, you know, but that is fine, we can plan that out later. ठीक है. Sentence formation I did for grade 2. How do you create basic sentences for communication?
હમ
Okay, so I was thinking કે that જે PPT મેં બનાવ્યું હતું ને આમાં એમાં I had shown કે if you are communicating, I think I have the PPT. Once I find it, I will send it to you, all of you, કે both of you. હા કે છે ને I had written over there that if you're at a school, કઈ sentences, and I had given them scenarios કે let's say your friend invited you to a birthday party and you couldn't go. તમે એમ નહીં બોલો કે
હમ
I cannot come. You need to say that thanks for the invitation, I apologize, I'll not be able to attend the party, and I hope you enjoy
હમ
the party. You know, you have to ensure that the person doesn't feel as if you are kind of, you know, just declining their offer. સમજાય છે એટલે
હમ
you have to be polite, you have to be genuine, you have to be kind. એ બધું મેં અલગ અલગ સિચ્યુએશન્સમાં if your teacher tells you to you know if your teacher asks you something, or if you want to ask for permission, may I visit the washroom, may I do this, using the word may, using the word please, using the word thank you, right, all of that. The same for Gujarati. Now who will do that sentence formation in different situations? Kushi, do you want to do it or should I do it?
હા કરી નાખીએ એમાં શું.
એટલે તને સમજાણું ને હું શું કહું છું અલગ અલગ સિચ્યુએશન્સમાં. So one place would
હમ
be home. How would you communicate with your parents? Or maybe how would you communicate with your elders? Basic sentences અને scenarios. Okay. કે ચાલ તને કોકે કંઈક ખુશીવાળી વાત કીધી. Oh my god. Oh. કોકે તને happiness
ખુશી
વાળી વાત કીધી. Okay.
ખુશી ખુશ થઈ ગયો હતો.
Like કોકે તને બહુ સારી વાત કીધી. How would you react to that? કોકે તને એવું કંઈક કીધું જેનાથી you are angry. How would you react to that? એવી sentences in different scenarios. Okay. પછી તમારા નાના હોય એટલે તમારાથી નાના એની સાથે કેમ કમ્યુનિકેટ કરો, ફ્રેન્ડ્સ છે એની સાથે કેમ કરો, એ બધું in sentence formation. Okay. फिर पिक्चर कंपोजिशन બધા પાસે એક એક છે ને અત્યારે તો સ્કિલ. યુ આર રાઇટિંગ ડાઉન, રાઈટ? પછી હું ભૂલી જઈશ. હે ને? તો પિક્ચર
ચાઇનીઝ
કમ્પોઝિશન
મારે કરવાનું છે, ઇમોશનલ charades આર્ચી કરે છે, સેન્ટેન્સ ફોર્મેશન ખુશી કરે છે, પિક્ચર
હા.
કમ્પોઝિશન. What exactly in picture composition?
so I had created now see picture composition માં what I used to do when I was a kid was that કાંઈ પણ ગાર્ડન નું પિક્ચર હોય અને એમાં કહે કે જો આવી રીતે બે છોકરા હિંચકા ખાય છે ને એક લપસ્યું ખાય છે. There is a pet dog also who's roaming around. There is a someone's daddy is there, someone's grandma is there. એવું બધું હતું. But I created pictures where I showed them social issues, okay? કે let's say pollution related એક પિક્ચર આપ્યું. પછી મેં એક પુઅર મેન કંઈક હંગ્રી હતો એવું કંઈક પિક્ચર હતું. અલગ અલગ ટાઈપ્સના પિક્ચર્સ હતા.
Yeah, I
And
love this.
so along with your communication skills, you are also developing your ethics. You're growing as an individual. You know what is right and wrong, and you know you're aware about the global issues. Okay. So I think
Makes
I
sense.
will take it up, maybe. Yeah. Okay. Then story completion, either of you can do. Story
I'll do
completion.
that.
Just 1 minute. There are
Yeah.
only 2 minutes remaining for this meeting. So after it ends, I will generate a new link because this one will expire, right?
પણ આ કેમ 40
So,
minutes ની નથી?
because અરે 40 minutes જ થયું. પણ તું લેટ આવી ને થોડી એટલે તને તારો ટાઈમ તો એવો ઓછો બતાડે ને એટલે.
તારા
જો.
40 minutes લેટ ચાલુ થયો.
કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં. कभी कभी हम भी लेट हो जाते हैं, कोई बात नहीं.
कोई बात.
हाँ now है ना
Let's do one thing. Let's leave this and begin again only, na then.
हाँ okay चलो yeah
Hmm.
वो થાકી ગયો હે ડ્રાઈવરમાં મૂકી મૂકીને બધું હા ચાલો પૂર્ણી દીદી is back
Yes.
हाँ तो even I don't remember what I was saying last but picture composition I will do with pictures that if you have picture suggestions ને તો ભલે give me but I will handle it picture composition માં because I have always wanted pictures which would spark some thought in them something that they've never thought about okay and let's see how they can interpret the picture right કેમ કે હવે હું ઈ લોકોને ઓલું વાળું પિક્ચર દેખાડું ને હંગરી પુઅર મેન વાળું તો it is not very appropriate કેમ કે like they might not of course relate to it because they themselves are in that situation like maybe we can still try knowing things from their perspective maybe but let's see well, I will create the pictures and both of you go through it right story completion I used to give a prompt a starter to them and they used to continue the story right so I will if I find the worksheets somewhere I have saved everything the worksheets I will share them with you I still have the printouts also of the worksheets I have it in my drawer so I will send you the pictures otherwise હું ચેક કરતી રેડ પેન લઈને બ્રો ચેક કરતી હું એક એક વર્કશીટ ખબર હેપી ફેસ આપતી સ્ટાર આપતી I have the worksheets physical copies I will show you તો છે ને સ્ટોરી કમ્પ્લીશન પૂર્ણી would you want to do that મ્યુટ છો બેટા મ્યુટ છો
I'll do that.
ઓકે ફાઇન
Gujarati
હવે
માં ને?
વાર્તા લેખન ઓકે ઉપર
શું
ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન
શું?
લખવાનું વાર્તા લેખન
અચ્છા.
અને અહીંયા લખવાનું કે
Chat GPT
આ
કેટલું help કરશે આપણને?
ભાઈ ઈ ગાંડું છે એટલે like it will be able to write stuff
But
down
it hallucinates a lot.
તું એને કે ને ભાઈ કે મને ગુજરાતી શીખડાવ ઈ બોલી ન શકે they can talk very all AI tools can talk in English પણ ગુજરાતી બોલવાનું કે કાંઈ પણ આમ local language કંઈક હોય ને કાંઈ ના આવડે but that they will learn of course whatever હા એટલે story completion
Khushi is doing what? Khushi is doing BTech in what?
Sorry, what? BTech EC,
That EC.
electronics.
Does AI come into your picture anywhere?
Nah,
It doesn't. Tell your friends to work on this that they can speak in other languages as well.
will do. હું કહું કરી નાખશે હમણાં કાલ સુધીમાં થઈ જશે
That Joe Archie, देखो हमारा team.
अच्छा है करो करो अब है ना स्टोरी का
चलो.
समझ आ गया ना तुम्हें ऐसे
हम्म.
एकदम मस्त ऐसे स्टार्टर देना ओके लाइक ऐसे सोचने पे दे हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी मजबूर કે ભાઈ આમાં શું હું કેવી રીતે કન્ટિન્યુ કરું સ્ટોરી રાઈટ એવું કંઈક સ્ટાર્ટર આપવાનું રાઈટ અને નોટ વેરી નેસેસરી that it's people all the time can be animals talking in the
Mhm.
story can be
This is
maybe a
that story. They are writing it or one person is telling it then दूसरा continue कर रहा है तीसरा continue कर रहा है. It's that
ના
one,
ના
ना?
ઈ છે ને આ છે કલેક્ટિવ સ્ટોરી ટેલિંગ ઈ મેં ટીમ વર્કમાં કર્યું હતું સ્કિલમાં
Okay.
પણ હિયર ઇટ ઇઝ
Okay.
રિટન ઓકે
Hmm.
આટલું તો બેઝિક જે મેં કરાવ્યું હતું ને ઈ જ આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કરવાનું વિચારી છીએ અધરવાઇઝ we still should add something to this show and tell related instructions only instructions okay ખુશી write it down okay એમાં they just have to come and describe their object પછી એમાં તારે ઈ લખવાનું કે ઓબ્જેક્ટનું શું શું કઈ કઈ ક્વોલિટી ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી શકે maybe let's say I bring a teddy bear so first of all why did I select this object why not any other object right why is it so close to me why is it so dear to me how do I use this object do I use it every day where do I keep it right and who uses it is there anyone else who uses it apart from me પછી do you want me to repeat something do you want me to repeat
એક મિનિટ ખાલી just one minute.
yeah no issues should I continue કે connect કરસ bluetooth
ના થઈ ગયું connect yeah
so I was saying that when you bring objects from home I used to give them these basic questions okay first of all why did you select this object why not any other object from your room or any other object from your house why is it that you selected this object who uses the object is the second question is it that you use it or is there somebody else also who's making use of this how often do you use it do you use it while you go to bed do you play with it do you pachi who has given the object to you has your parent gifted it to you has a sibling gifted it to you or did you go and yourself buy it pachi how would you plan to use this object in the future will it still be with you right? Why is it important to you? All of these questions, એટલે more than just talking about the object and saying કે જો મારું ટેડી બેર છે બ્રાઉન કલરનું છે એની બે આંખો છે એના બે કાન છે એ બધું બોલવા કરતા આગળ we think about what else you can connect with this, so that they develop that kind of thinking કે with an object what kind of a connection do I have. Okay. And if we want to add some more questions, you also think about the different questions that you might want to ask about an object, right? પછી એ તો બધું થઈ જ ગયું ને કલર, પછી appearance, કે પછી is it soft, is it hard, is it smooth, is it rough, what colors do you see, પછી is it a soft toy, is it some other play item, what is it a normal toy, where did you go to a fun fair, did you go to a normal toy shop, who did you go with, just giving them clues so that they can speak. Okay, બોલતું રહેવું છે તો એના માટે how do you continue? Because I have found that there are some people, right, who are exactly opposite of who I am. I can talk about anything and everything and I can keep connecting things. હજી આના પછી આ બોલું, આના પછી ઓલું બોલું, આના પછી ઓલું. But there are some people, after a point, they don't know how to continue. So let's say you're pushed on the stage and you have to speak about something. How would you keep continuing? You are forced to speak. At gunpoint, how would you speak? But this is the main idea, okay? You want to develop that skill of talking properly. Okay. પછી comprehensions and all, I think all of us can create one each. Okay.
Okay.
Comprehension માં શું, that you have a passage, and again, that passage doesn't have to be a normal useless wala passage. It has to be something that teaches them some kind of moral value, કે some kind of they take away something from it, some kind of a lesson. એવો કંઈક passage હોવો જોઈએ. Maybe related to honesty, maybe related to cleanliness, or related to ethics. એવો કંઈક passage રાખવાનો અને એના પછી question answers. And I think, see, હમણાં હું internship જે કરું છું ને સ્કૂલમાં, એમાંથી I learned this. અને મને છે ને Bloom's taxonomy કરીને, I don't know if you guys have. I think Purni કે somebody would have done this.
I don't know what's that.
જો આ Bloom's taxonomy છે ને, એમાં કેવું છે that you have these 6 stages of learning, okay? And now, as you move from bottom to the top, right, the difficulty increases, right? And મારે છે ને Spotify ચાલુ છે એટલે wait, let me just turn it off. Yeah. હા, તો પછી as you move up the pyramid ને, તો ઓલું કેમ hierarchy માં હોય એવી રીતે the difficulty keeps on increasing. એટલે હવે છે ને in the comprehension the passage is fine, ચલો passage આપણે quality વાળો passage ક્યાંકથી ગોતી, but question answers need to be created by us. And in the question answers, what I have seen is, I will show you the books. End I will show you the books. I'm teaching 4th grade, so I will show you how their books look like. And they have so many different kinds of questions. There was something that I did in IB. Okay, જ્યાં આપણે poem હોય, so you just don't think about the rhyming scheme, કે આ word આની સાથે rhyme કરે છે. You also think about why the poet made a certain choice. That is what IB English was about. Why did the author choose to write in such a way? They could have written anything else. Why is it that they used personification at this point? What was their main aim, right? So, critical analysis of why an author or a poet writes in a certain way. What is it that they are trying to put across? એટલે હવે ಈ passageમાં you have different kinds of questions. એક તો critical thinking વાળા questions, right? કેમ કે I understood કે એ લોકો ઘણું બધું copy writing કરે છે ને dictation માંથી ઘણું લખતા હોય. પણ અગર કોક મને dictate કરે અને હું લખે જાઉં, how am I supposed to use my brain? How will I think for myself? So you have to give them reflective questions. Passageમાં ચલો એક character છે, એને આવી રીતે કંઈક કર્યું. What if you were at that character's place? What would you have done? Right? You reflect maybe on your past. આવું incident તમારી સાથે થયું છે જે passageમાં થયું છે. કા પછી let's say that somebody did the same thing with you. What would your reaction be? Right? How would you deal with something like this in a situation that maybe you would have faced? Right? કા પછી words that most strongly suggest a particular emotion. Right? From which words do you get to know? ઈ આપણે SAT માં ઘણું કર્યું છે. From which words do you get to know that maybe the character is feeling in a certain way? From which words, which exact lines do you get to know that the character is excited? Exactly line ઉપાડવાની passage માંથી. Right? I think this is going to be critical for us. આખું Bloom's taxonomy. I heard it for the first time when I started doing my internship. એ લોકો આવી રીતે છે ને બધા questions બનાવતા હોય. Right? Keeping this in mind. I urge all of you to research on this. મેં નથી કર્યું. Even I will research about this. Right? How do you frame questions? Questions એવા નહીં કે passage માંથી જોઈને ready-made answer મળી જાય. એવા questions that force you to think. Right? So comprehension one each we are doing. Okay?
Hmm.
Yeah. Pachi, yeah, Khushi, Purni, how many skills do you both have? Two each?
Yes.
Two each,
And
no?
one comprehension everybody is doing. So yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So that is done. Story completion and all is fine. I think we are done with this. Yeah. Hmm.
Just a
We
question.
need to.
Approximately,
Hmm.
how many questions are we supposed to make to
Uh,
figure an estimate?
for one passage,
Hmm.
we will have all kinds of questions, right? As I said, થોડાક direct answers વાળા, થોડાક critical thinking વાળા, થોડાક reflective answers વાળા. So I think around 7-8 questions minimum હશે, right? અને we don't want to focus on grammar. કે ભાઈ synonym આનો ગોતો, આનો antonym ગોતો. ઈ તો already કરાવે છે, right? What we want to focus on is that, let's say, હું એવો question પૂછતી હોઉં that if you were in the character's place, what would you have done? Are they able to communicate their feelings properly or not? Right? And it's very important, I have realized, you might be feeling in a certain way, but to put it across in the right way is more important. Right? I might be worried for you, but if I say that, ભાઈ ક્યાં ગઈ હતી? શું કરતી હતી આટલો time? કેમ મને phone ના કર્યો? It might come across as rude, right? So you might be feeling in a certain way, but it's equally and even more important to convey those feelings in the right way. એટલે મારી ઈ જ છે કે reflective questions માં main, this is the aim, right? So communication માટે all of this is what we have in our mind, right? So one module will have all of these activities plus the 3 comprehensions included, right? અને મને નથી લાગતું કે હજી વધારે એડ કરવું જોઈએ, કેમ કે આ એક સ્કિલ છે હજી. And I just feel all skills are very much interlinked. Okay?
Hmm.
કેમ કે તું ટીમ વર્ક કરાવ ને તો એમાંય communication is being developed, leadership you are developing, right? So if you still feel we can do certain activities for communication, so you write down in the group and we can add those to the module.